weapon. Take that.
Oh, Sammy, what's going on here?
Take that, you. Bam. Oh, hi, Sue. I'm defeating him. Bam, 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 bam.
What a disaster, and where's my favorite pan? I can't find anything here.
Whoops. I got a bit distracted and took
Okay, then I'll go make a super organizer and you can clean up here.
Hey, you wish! You can't do it without me!
Hi all! Today we'll create a cool organizer for school supplies.
You forgot about the cardboard pieces!
Oh my! Oh, you brought everything we need. Now we can make the cover and the walls. It remains only to put them all together, and for this we'll need some glue.
I'm the main glue smear. I'll straighten everything out. Hey, what's going on? Get back, we have a lot more to
Sammy,
do.
calm down. We'll cope with everything. Hop, just like that.
Hey, Mom, did you decide to stick to me now? No way.
While you were talking to the mop, I finished gluing the cardboard to the cover. Now we only need to work on the seams with the tape to make our organizer foldable.
Well, I know how to do it quickly and beautifully. Watch and learn.
Show me what you've got. Wow, it turned out great! How come I didn't think of this before?
That's because there's only one super slime. Me. Check out my
Ooh.
room. Hey, it's my room. We'll hide under it.
Right, or live under it. This could be the lid for our organizer. You want it to be cool, right? Then you're gonna have to sacrifice something.
Okay, then I'll pick a color for the foam paper for the decor. Hey, what are you doing again?
Oh, Sammy, I love this color so much. You can choose next time. And now we need to make sure that there are no waves or bands.
Move it, Sue. I have special equipment for such cases. A super iron.
Oh, great! In the meantime, I'll glue the foam paper to the bottom cap if you don't mind.
I don't like the looks of this cardboard. We've got to paint it.
Sammy, don't rush it. Foam paper will help us out. Look, we'll glue it and then straighten it carefully.
Oh, this is my part. And this time, my equipment is more powerful.
Whoa, Sammy, you did such a good job here. Well done.
It still needs to be decorated. Look how much stuff I have.
Indeed. Let's see. This piece is just perfect. Let's glue it right here. Just don't take your precious things away yet. This piece is also perfect. What do you say, huh?
Don't distract me, Sue. I'm watching my opponent.
Oh, we could use this too. Oh, Sammy, you're so funny. But can you better help me with crafting? Hop? I have already glued the transparent film, but there's still enough things to do.
Break! I need a break from the battle and from the craft.
Your opponent doesn't want to rest, huh? Well, we'll be back in a sec. Stay tuned.
Huh? Is my opponent here? No? Ew. Sue, look what I brought you!
Oh, you've got so many things in here. I'll take these 2 paper clips. They will act as holders for notebooks. It's kind of easier than gluing a notepad.
Wait, I need to make a plan to
You
win!
win without a plan. I'll take it, okay?
Huh?
Look how well it fits into our organizer. And you can write in something else, right?
You take everything from me! Wait for it! There's something even you can take! Now I'll hide it all away, so no one will find it. Huh? Shiver me shatters!
Ah, yes, Sammy, that didn't work. It's nice that you've passed here, though.
Oh, my treasures! Did you sneak them out?
No, Sammy, I didn't plan on it. But look how well they fit.
I'll show you how to take my treasures. Hold on, Susie!
Ooh,
Hey!
I can be a super ninja. Hop, and everything is in my hands.
Cool, and what will you do with these?
Look, I glued these paper strips together, and now I'll wrap them with colored paper. Let's put them here. Do you think the size is right?
We can measure that. Hop, one move,
And instead of a simple strip, we have… Whoa! A ruler! Great! Okay, we need to glue the strip right here. Sammy, could you please…
Get down! We're being attacked with fans! Watch out! Duck!
Huh? I got one. Let's make a holder for it.
Hey, catch the
then, a goalkeeper? This will also have a place in our organizer.
Hey, no! Oh, we'll be back, Susan.
Of course you will. What's your next challenge?
Well, let's find out who's the strongest. Oh, I didn't see that coming.
Let me help you. The rubber band will come in handy. It'll help hold the markers in place. We just need to glue it to the lid.
Hey, Sue. Yes, who am I?
A snake slime? Very convincing, Sammy.
Okay, you got me. Now show me what you got. Ah!
Stability test passed.
A test? On me? That's it. I'm officially offended,
Oh,
Susan.
Sammy, where are you going? Come on, I have some candy for you.
Huh? Candy? Well, then I'm here. Don't go anywhere. I'm watching you.
Well, we still need to finish with the organizer. And Sam ran away again. Friends, if you see him, give us a thumbs up. In the meantime, I'll fold the edges of the future folder compartment.
Psst, don't say anything or Sue will notice me.
There was also a piece of paper. Where did it go? I need it now.
Super Sam has already worked on
Oh,
it.
thanks. Super Sammy, you're the best helper in the world.
Gotta check it out. This thing doesn't bounce at all. That's not right.
Oh, Sammy, you're in a hurry as always. Boom. We need to glue this folder to our organizer, then decorate it. After that, you can put whatever you want into it.
Decorate? Well, here's my new collection.
Well, let's see. So this folder will be prettier than me? No way. Let's decorate it a little bit differently. We'll start with colored paper.
Then I'll look for suitable decor elements here. There's definitely should be something.
You might be right. I'll make a few cuts here and we'll look together.
Now it's more convenient for the search.
These two paper clips are perfect. Thank you, Sammy. Let's fix them right in these openings. Like this. Now you can put pictures here.
Oh, I'm a real pro. Here are the perfect pictures.
I can't argue with that. And now we can fill the folder itself. Here comes some beautiful paper.
Sue, you cleaned everything too soon. Let's draw something first.
Fine, then I'll draw a heart. What do you think, Mr. Great Artist?
Oh, oui, what lines, what an expression. You have talent.
Wow, I didn't expect this kind of praise. Thanks. Now let's see how our organizer looks when folded.
Uh-oh, the lid doesn't stay in its place.
It's easy to fix with a piece of Velcro. Its sides will stick together and prevent the organizer from opening. I just had a thought. I would like to add another picture here. What do you think? How about this one?
The idea is good, but we need more decorations.
Great, don't move. I'll take all of these off you.
All right.
Now let's glue them here. Oh, I love how it turned out.
And I want to write something. Sue loves writing.
Whoa, hey! Oh, what a prankster slime. Well, now I'm going to write something. The best thing here is that you can erase everything easily and write again. Let's also put these beautiful pictures here so they won't get lost.
Ooh, I want to leave my mark in this notebook as well. I can't open it.
Sammy, wait, let me do this. Or you could get trapped under the cover. I'll bookmark it so that we could find this place quickly. Uh-huh.
Come on, be quiet. I'm telling you how to take this zipper organizer for myself.
I can see and hear you, you know.
Let's see.
That'll teach you. Better look what a cool organizer we've got.
It is cool, but we wanted to take it for ourselves.
Oh, don't be upset. We'll make another one soon. In the meantime, let's check this one out.
I am so tired. Why is cleaning always so tiring?
Because there are too many tasks, Sammy. But we can tick off the cleaning now.
Sue, will you let me play with this organizer just a little bit?
Everything is possible. I promise I'll think about it. So, here's everything also in its place. Oh my, who was that?
I have the organizer. Run!
Oh, you two pranksters! Stop! Oh, looks like we have a new game. Running and hiding. Give us a thumbs up and see you soon. Sammy, come back.
Take care, friends.
Oh, I'm gonna get you.